Greenworks is the ultimate battery-powered outdoor equipment. The powerful G-Max 40-volt battery provides true gas performance and is able to power multiple tools for a complete yard system. The G-Max 40-volt 19-inch lawnmower is great for taking the work out of yard work with the revolutionary brushless motor. Get greater power and efficiency. The 7-position height adjustment lever enables you to get that perfect cut with a 19-inch steel deck and 3-in-1 mulch, side discharge, or bag versatility. Quickly cover all aspects of your yard. Easily change out the blade with an appropriate model Greenworks replacement blade. The instant electric start gets you going immediately every single time you go to work. The high-performance G-Max lithium-ion battery delivers fade-free power with no memory loss and is interchangeable with all Greenworks G-Max 40-volt tools, the industry's largest 40-volt system. No cords, no gas, no oil, no maintenance. Greenworks. Life gets easier.
One company stands out for being at the leading edge of innovation. Introducing the Black & Decker 3-in-1 compact mower, powered by the 20-volt max interchangeable lithium-ion battery system. The 3-in-1 with its revolutionary deck design quickly and easily converts from a mower to a trimmer, featuring a power drive transmission for getting those trimming and edging jobs done fast. The complete solution for smaller lawns. Black & Decker 3-in-1 compact mower.
A powerful alternative to gas mowers. Introducing the Twin Force mower from Greenworks. 40 pounds lighter than the average gas-powered mower, with 2 powerful G-Max 40-volt lithium-ion batteries that keep this mower running for over an hour on a single charge. Twin cutting blades provide a smooth, even cut and superior mulching. The Twin Force mower, part of the innovative family of Greenworks tools.